Hello, friends. I hope that everybody is safe at home and doing well, and you are taking adequate precaution for this COVID epidemic. And I know most of you would be busy working from home, either on your laptop or on your mobile phones, and would be also not doing proper exercises as there are restrictions imposed in moving outside or going to the park. So, I would suggest all of you guys to take certain precautions while working at home, especially when using your laptops and mobile phones. So, first of all, I would like to say that we should try avoiding improper posture, like we usually lay on a certain side, we lay on the bed, and we don't have a proper position, we are bending our back forward. So, kindly place your laptops either in a small working table if you're working on the bed, and where your posture is upright, or you can have a back support, so you can lean back on the backboard of the bed and do your work. Always try to have around a 30-degree angle from the eye, so you don't should be looking either up or too much down, so it should be relaxed in kind of a 30-degree to the screen, and the brightness of the screen should be sufficiently adjusted so that you can see the visible letters, but should not be too bright to put a strain on your eyes. The other part is that the neck position most of the time should be neutral as far as possible, or slightly flexed, but never extended or never too much flexed down. I know that in spite of all these precautions, you would be working on your mobiles, and you still have work to do. So I would also suggest that you take a break of 5 minutes, like every 20 minutes, while on the laptop or on your mobile phones, and this helps you in stretching your muscles. Whenever you get up, you walk for a drink of a glass of water, and it is hot nowadays, so that will help your hydration too. There are certain exercises I would like you to follow if it is possible, and there are very short exercises which will help you maintain your proper neck posture and relieve the tension which is on the back of the muscles of the neck, especially while you are working. So let me go with a few exercises which are passive exercise, where you don't have to put more of your strain. So I would suggest that one side to side exercise, like this, to the left, gradually coming back, then going to other side, then coming back, and this you can do how much your movements permits. No need to exceed beyond a certain movement, but never get it up or get it down while doing this. So the neck position should be neutral or in straight position. The other exercise, which is like bending down, then going up and back, and then back to neutral. This again you can do 5 times. Then there is side to side, bending the neck down, coming back to the neutral, then on the other right side, and then back to the neutral. Again, here it is to understand that it should not be tilted like this. So it has to go only in straight position like this. Understood? And this again 5 times. And the last thing is the rotation movement, which you can do very slowly. There is no jerky movements when you are doing this. So it's kind of a 360-degree circle which we are doing. So this, and then again return back. So there you go. So I would suggest that these exercises you can do kind of if you're working on your laptops and other things, like once in a day. And if you have a neck problem, if you have a neck pain, then still you can do it morning and evening too. Other thing which I would like to say, there's sometimes strain on the back neck muscles which is actually beyond a certain point, and there you need to relax them. So for that there are certain exercises which you need to know, and for that, like relaxing this trapezius muscle, which is the broad muscles which holds your neck, you need to first make it straight and then try to hold your neck, and other hand is kind of a seat, or you are sitting on a chair comfortably, holding it down at your seat, and then tilting it to a certain degree, kind of exerting a pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave it. And similarly you can go to the other side too. So this will help you to relax your neck muscle, which is the trapezius muscle, which is holding in the back. And still there, if you have a pain in the root of your neck, there is another exercise which you can do where there is a certain tilt to the head, but you have to keep your shoulder, one side of the hand kind of extended, where your elbow is extending upwards in an angle, and then kind of tilting this in kind of looking like your pocket of your pant. So this you can stretch again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count slowly and then release. This you can do for again 4 or 5 times, and that's sufficient. So friends, for today this much is enough. I think we can take your questions, and still if you have a problem then you can contact us. Thank you.